Ow! My tummy hurts so much. I feel really sick right now.
Mom, come quick. Max is hurting. Look, Ellie. I am digging deep.
I found a big rock here.
Wow, Max, your hands are so dirty.
I am a brave explorer today.
Explorers get very dirty hands, huh?
Yes. Dirty hands mean I worked hard.
Kids, come inside for a snack. I have yummy cookies for you.
Yay! I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too. Let's go eat them.
Max, wash your hands first, please.
My hands are not that dirty, Mom.
Please wash them before you eat.
Okay. I will be quick.
Mom said wash your hands, Max.
Did you hear her? Wash them. I heard her, Ellie. Don't worry. I will wash them in a second.
I need to pick up the mail.
Mom is not in the kitchen now.
Good. Now I can eat first.
Wait, Max. You didn't wash yet.
Shh, Ellie. Don't tell Mom, okay? I will just eat one cookie.
Okay, but be careful, Max.
My hands look fine to me. Yummy. This cookie tastes so good.
Max, you have crumbs everywhere.
One more cookie, please. I ate the whole plate, Ellie. That was so delicious and yummy.
Max, you ate with dirty hands.
Shh. Don't tell Mom, okay, Ellie?
Okay. I won't tell her. But I don't feel good about this.
Don't worry, Ellie. Nothing bad happens. See? I feel great right now.
Did you two enjoy the cookies?
Yes, Mom. They were super yummy.
Very yummy, Mom.
Great. Go play outside for a bit.
Come on, Ellie. Let's play tag. Okay. I will chase you first.
You can't catch me, Slowpoke. Wait. I feel funny. My tummy feels a little strange.
What is wrong, Max? Are you okay?
I don't know. It feels weird.
Do you want to sit down?
Yes. I need to sit down now.
Max, why are you sitting? Are you feeling okay, sweetie?
I am just a little tired, Mom.
Are you sure? You look pale.
Yes, Mom. I am totally fine.
Okay. Come inside and rest a bit. Lie down here. Drink some water.
Thank you, Mom. My tummy still hurts.
Let me rub your tummy gently. Does that feel a little better?
A little, Mom. But it still hurts.
Max, is it because of?
Shh. Stop talking about that, Ellie.
But Mom should know the truth.
No. She will be so mad.
What are you two whispering about?
Nothing, Mom. We are just talking. Ow! My tummy hurts even more!
Oh no. Max, what did you eat? Did you wash your hands today?
I don't really remember, Mom.
Think carefully, Max. This is important.
I ate a snack. That is all.
Please tell her, Max. Please. You didn't wash your hands, remember?
Stop it, Ellie! I am scared.
Max, honey, please just tell me.
I don't know why it hurts, Mom.
Okay. Let's just keep you resting.
Ow, ow. It really, really hurts.
David! come here! Max is sick!
What happened? Is Max okay, honey?
His tummy hurts a lot right now.
Let me check on him quickly. Max, can you tell me what's wrong?
My tummy hurts so much.
Okay, stay calm, buddy. Let me think. We should take him to the doctor.
Yes, let's go right now, David.
Come on, Max. I will carry you.
It hurts when I move, Dad.
I know, buddy. We will be quick.
Everything will be okay, sweetie. I promise.
I am coming too. I am worried.
Okay, everyone, let's get in the car.
Mom, my tummy really hurts.
I know, honey. We are almost there.
I'm scared, Mom.
Don't be scared. We are here for you.
Hello, Max. My name is Daniel. Don't worry. I am here to help. We are right here, Max.
We won't leave you, Max.
Hello, Dr. Daniel. My tummy hurts.
I see. Let me check you now. Can you lie down for me, please?
Okay, Dr. Daniel. Like this?
Perfect. Now, let me press gently here.
Ow, that hurts a little bit.
I understand. This helps me a lot. Max, what did you eat today?
I ate some cookies this morning.
Did you wash your hands before eating?
I'm not sure, Dr. Daniel.
This is important, Max. Please think.
Max, please tell the truth, sweetie.
Okay. I didn't wash them. I played in the dirt first. Then I ate cookies with dirty hands.
Ah, I see. That explains it. Germs from the dirt made you sick.
Oh, Max, why didn't you tell me?
I was scared you would be mad. I am sorry, Mom. I am really sorry.
It is okay, Max. Now you know. Germs are tiny. We cannot see them. They live on our hands sometimes. Washing hands washes the germs away. That is why we wash before eating.
I understand now, Dr. Daniel. Thank you. I promise I will always wash my hands.
I am proud of you for telling the truth.
I am sorry for hiding it, Mom.
I will always tell you the truth.
Thank you, sweetie. That means a lot. Ellie tried to get Max to tell the truth earlier.
Really? That was very brave of her. Ellie, you tried to help your brother. That was very kind and brave of you.
I was just worried about my brother.
You are a good sister, Ellie. Let's go home now, everyone. Everyone, let's remember this important lesson. Always wash your hands before you eat, and always tell the truth when you feel sick.
I will remember, Dad. I promise.
Me too. Clean hands, happy tummy.
Now, let's all wash our hands together.